So the XDOBO Dignity 2024 like Sinoband speaker is here, and the speaker is cool but also different than others maybe, because it has a lot of lights, like on the front, on the rear, also like inside the fabric cover with the like speakers. And the fun thing as well is it has a RACETRACK driver. It also has like a tweeter, so this overall audio performance is actually very great. And its bass performance also pretty strong for this kind of small speaker, and it's pretty loud. The only complaint that I could give with like the tweeter is that it gets a bit too harsh. It's a bit of a JBL like sound profile, and it's not necessarily bad, but on higher volume you do get these kind of small issues with this kind of speakers. So without further ado, let's just go to the audio sample so you can see it yourself how this thing performs.
Man, when it's dead, when I pull it right down for legit. So I don't really care what you say right now, man. I didn't really keep it your ass. Hey, back and do it, I'ma get it. Homie, I don't run away, I don't panic. Coming just back, I'ma just make it. Hey, I'ma make it really happen. Switching the boom around, making this shit dramatic. They run around, they gonna panic. I'ma just kill it, I'm just set to say. Hey, homie, I'm back and I'm feeling that shit in my bones, feeling that shit in my blood. Hey, I'ma just get it right now, I'ma just run it the love. That's how we do, and that's how it goes. See where the enemy, you are goes, sticking them down. I'm like. So slowly, try to swim away, but I'm in too deep. I'm in too deep. So my eyes, in my mouth, too much water, gotta get out. I should probably swim.